Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize app icons or themes on your Vivo Y03T. If you're using Vivo Y03 phone and you want to change or customize your app icons or themes on your phone, so let's see how can do this. You just have to open Themes app in your phone. So look for it. It is pre-installed on your phone. Here's the Themes app. Just tap on it. From here, you have to select local in the bottom right corner, then select local themes. From here you can easily get all of your themes. Here are some system themes and the downloaded themes. You have to select one which you want to set as, or you can easily download anyone from here. Just tap on download and it will start downloading. And after download you can easily set it as your own system theme. So just wait for downloading. Here you can easily see that it will change your background or wallpaper, and it will change your system apps icons. Just tap on apply, and after that it will be applied on your system. Just go back and check how it will works. So that's how you can easily change or customize app icons or themes on your Vivo Y03. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.